Once you receive your test kit, remove everything from the packet and lay it out in front of you. Open the instructions and read them all the way through. Prepare your supplies by opening up the gauze, alcohol wipe, and bandage packaging. Next, log on to OmegaQuant.com and click the orange Register Kit button to create an account or log into your existing account. Once your kit has been registered, fill out the information requested on the sample collection card. Next, prepare for the finger prick by improving your blood flow. Some good tips are to wash your hands in warm water, do some movements like squats, stand up so that your hand is below your heart, and shake your hands at your side. Use the alcohol wipe to clean the part of the finger you want to prick. Choose a spot off center of the pad or on the side or the tip of the finger. Also, it's best to use the ring, middle, or pointer finger. Wipe away any excess alcohol with the gauze pad. Remove the lancet cover. Position it lightly on the part of the finger of choice. Then firmly press down into the finger until a click is heard. This releases the needle and you will feel a slight stick. Wipe away the first sign of blood at the prick site. Hold your finger so the blood is collecting as a drop beneath the finger and positioned over the filter paper card. Be patient. It may take 30 seconds or so for the drop to form. If you need to, lightly milk the finger to create the drop. Let the blood drop off your finger or lightly touch the blood drop to the paper once it's about to drop from your finger. Do not touch the paper with your finger. Different tests may require a different number of blood spots. If you need more than one drop, repeat the process of milking your finger and waiting for the blood drops to form. You should be able to get more than one blood drop from a single prick site. Again, be sure to read the instructions with each test. Once you've collected your sample, apply pressure to the finger with a gauze pad to stop the bleeding. Once it stops bleeding, bandage up the prick site. Let the blood spot dry on the filter paper with the flap open for about 15 minutes. Then fold the collection card flap over the sample and tuck it under the lip. Make sure it covers the blood spot. Put the sample collection card into the small plastic bag the supplies came in and seal it. Then put the plastic bag into the return mail envelope and mail the sample back. This should be done the same day you collect the sample. About 5 days after the lab receives your blood sample, you will receive your personalized report. To view your results, log into the account you created when you registered the kit. Wait 3 to 4 months before testing again. That way your body has enough time to adapt to any dietary changes you've made. Hopefully by then the nutrient levels you measured have moved into the desirable zone.